So guys, this is my kaffir lime plant, very small. So nearly takes 1 year to grow. I'm taking few leaves from here. Chinese garlic leaves. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hopefully everyone okay. So guys, I bring another very interesting recipe today. Is a green curry paste. So guys, I'm telling you how to make green curry paste at home from scratch, and I'm going to show you same time how to make the green curry, chicken green curry. You can see guys, I have got lots of ingredients here. It's look too much, but it's very simple process. So I'm going to tell in the paste what I'm going to use first. So I'm taking lots of coriander, fresh coriander. You can use the coriander root as well, but I haven't got coriander root, so I'm using lots of coriander and basil, kaffir fruit. Kaffir fruit, I'm only use the skin. I'll show you how to use it. Galagal, lemongrass, shallots about 4, and about 15 green chili, cumin seed 1 teaspoon, coriander seed is 1 teaspoon, and green peppers about 1 teaspoon, garlic leaves from my garden. This is the fresh kaffir leaves, lime leaves from my garden. Garlic cloves about 6 to 7 I took, and this is the shrimp paste. I'm going to use only 1.5 teaspoon from here. You can easily find from the Asian cash and carry. Salt, I'm taking only 1.5 teaspoon. Fish sauce about 2 tablespoons. Then chicken 1 kg. Coconut milk 400 gram. And I'm taking the bamboo shoots. So guys, I'm telling you step by step how to make the green curry paste, and same time how to cook the chicken green curry. So let's begin. So first I'm taking very small fry pan, gas on. Then I'm going to slightly roast cumin seed, coriander seed and pepper. Then very slightly I'm going to roast, not too much. Then after slightly roasted, I'm going to gas off and let it cool down. When it's cooled down, then I'm going to crust roughly. You can grind as well. Then going to crust. So I crust like that. Then I'm going to leave in one side. Next, I'm going to chop the galagal, shallots and lemongrass in small pieces. Then I'm going to take off kaffir fruit skin like that. So guys, only going to use the skin, chopped everything like that. Then next I'm going to grind like hard stuff. Galagal first, lemongrass, kaffir leaves and kaffir fruit skin. This is all hard bits, so I'm going to grind first this one. Then again I'm going to add the green chili, garlic, shallots, grind coriander, cumin seed and pepper, fish sauce, salt. Then I'm going to add the coriander hard sticks and garlic leaves. Then add the shrimp paste 1.5 teaspoon. Then again I'm going to grind. So after grind it will look like this one. So I'm going to add more coriander leaves and basil. So going to add the basil and coriander leaves. And I'm going to grind. So this is our green curry paste ready. Then I'm going to cook now. So I took deep fry pan, then gas on, let it warm. Then I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the oil. Then I'm going to add the garlic. Then slightly going to fry. Then when it's slightly brown, then I'm going to add shallots. Then I'm going to fry a little bit till golden brown. Can see already it's golden brown. Then I'm going to add the green paste, about 3 tablespoons. So this is the freshly homemade green curry paste. You can see it's beautiful color. Then I'm going to cook till the oil separate. Then rest of paste I'm going to put in the freezer for later on. I can use like a month if you put in the freezer. So you can see it's oil separate. Then I'm going to add the coconut milk. Then going to mix all together. Then cook 2 to 3 minutes till the oil separate. Then I'm going to add the half teaspoon of salt. You can put according to your taste. So guys, you can see its oil start to separate. Then I'm going to add the chicken. Then mix all together and let it cook till the chicken tender. You can see its chicken is half cooked. Then I'm going to add the bamboo shoots. Then I'm going to add the aubergine. Then going to mix all together and let it cook. So guys, you can see it's almost done. In the very end, I'm going to add the 1 red chili. Look very, very beautiful. Look at the color. It's absolutely nice. Beautiful aroma coming. So guys, it's cooked. I'm going to gas off. Then I'm going to serve. Then I'm going to garnish with the red chili. So guys, this is our chicken green curry. Look at the beautiful color. Smell is yummy. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, everyone, take care. Bye bye.